welcome back to our channel. I'm glad you're here again. So we're gonna learn about to have a frisbee. Let's try for a frisbee. And there's another way too. There's another way. There's also another way. There's another way. There's another way.
All right. Tell them bye-bye.
And also, this is the last one.
Okay.
There's also one way. Bye! I'll see you tomorrow. Make sure to subscribe my channel.